In this video, we will show you how to resolve heating problem in ultrasonic machine by changing heater. First you will have to remove back cover of your machine. Now remove all the connections with tank as shown here so that you can remove it properly. Now disconnect the wires of heater. Now remove the heater from tank as shown in video. Check continuity of heater. If it shows 0 value, then it means that heater is not working. Now replace heater with new one provided by Doit Impex. Reconnect all the wires as shown in video. If you are watching this video on Facebook, like the page, and if you are watching it on YouTube, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.